Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. You want to follow these steps to fix it, so let's get started. The very first thing to verify is that your phone is not in silent mode. So in order to do that, on a newer iPhone you can long press and hold this action button right here, and as you can see right now it's a silent, it has a ringer. If I long press again, it will take off that silent mode. So you want to do that. Now if you have an older iPhone, if you have a ringer switch, you can just make sure that switcher is turned upward where you don't see that orange amber any longer. Basically upward will make it out of silent mode. Now along with that, you also just want to verify that the volume is turned all the way up so you can actually hear it. So just press the volume up button just like that. Now after that, you can also check this setting in your settings by going to settings, and then from there on you want to go to sounds and haptics and ensure that this mode is turned off, the silent mode right here. Quick and easy way to do that. Now along with that, next thing you want to go ahead and check out is your phone is not on do not disturb. So pull down the control menu here, right where it says focus. If you have do not disturb turned on just like this, you need to tap on it and turn it off, and turn off any of the other focus mode as well, as they can make your phone not ring whenever you're making a call. Now along with that, next thing to do is just quickly put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off to make sure that you have right amount of coverage for network. Now up top you should see your carrier and the coverage. Now let's say you don't see it, you might want to move to a different area just so you can get better coverage, especially when you're making calls and the call possibly isn't going through. Now if you did that, the next troubleshooting to do is go into your setting again. Now starting from the main settings page, you want to go to accessibility, and then from there on you're going to tap on touch, and then from touch scroll down a little bit further where it says call audio routing. You want to tap on that, and you want to ensure that this is selected to automatic, that it's not going to some other Bluetooth or other speakers that's connected. So automatic, and then go back to the main settings again, and this time you want to check under the Bluetooth that the device is not connected to any of the Bluetooth device that you have. So if you do, the call sound ringing that you should hear on the iPhone might go to that device. So what I recommend is just turning it off and seeing if you can make a call. If that's the case, then you'll know that it's connected to a device that could be impacting that from you from hearing that ringer. Now if it's still not working, the next thing to do is ensure that you do not have call forwarding turned on in your settings. Go back all the way down to apps, and then you want to go to the phone setting here. Now scroll down a little bit further. Here I don't have it, but if you have call forwarding, it'll have a section that says call forwarding. You want to tap on it to turn off any call forwarding that you might have enabled. Now if that isn't working for you, the next thing to do is following this step. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black, the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, then I'll hold on to this side button just like that, and just keep on holding that side button just like that. We're going to wait for the screen to go completely black before we let go of that side button. This will ensure that if there's any software related issue, it'll go ahead and fix it. Once you see the Apple logo, let go. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data, and if it doesn't work the very first time, just keep on trying it again. It's all we're doing is quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, one after another, right? And then holding on to this side button. So let's go do that, and then once you're back on, go back into your iPhone, and the next thing you want to do, if it's still not working, is in your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. You're going to tap on that, tap on the first reset, and then we're going to do a network reset. So it's going to prompt you for your passcode. Go ahead and enter that. Basically a network reset where we turn all the settings for the network back to factory default. This will not delete your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps still will be fine. It's just resetting the network, especially when it comes to connectivity and the call ringing is not working for you. Now if you did all of this step and you simply can still hear the ring going through an outgoing call, it might be best to contact your carrier just to make sure that your phone service is working correctly. It's not an outage going on or any account restrictions they might have put on your account. And hopefully after doing all this, it is fixed for you. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.